He's past this rock, so he's got to be back in there. I just saw him. He went under the rock and he's going forward.
What color was it?
It was brown with like dots, but thin. Kind of made me think of like that little bromeliad snake that's hangs out in the bromeliad.
Well, he is going to be where you're working, so you know it wasn't a terciopelo though, right?
No, no, not at all. He was real thin and like spots, not triangles at all. And I know the last time I was working in here, he came flying out of the bromeliad, so when I was trimming it.
See if we can find him. Oh, yeah, he is a terciopelo.
Are you serious?
Uh-huh.
Oh, shit, Overton. Are you fucking kidding me?
Nope.
Oh, my God, Overton. I didn't think so. I saw little spots.
That's why you gotta be careful.
Oh, he sure is.
All right, go get me my grabbers and a bucket.
Wow, I'm glad you looked. That I would have said it was a terciopelo. Man.
All right, I'm hoping it doesn't get away, so.
Wow. That's why I like to keep this clean in here.
That is a terciopelo. No, that's okay.
Wow. He sure was docile.
You know what? When Dennis and I go up, I'll let him go up
Okay.
up the hill where we're going.
Thank you, honey.
You're welcome. Be careful. There could be others.
Yeah, I sure will. Trying to get this shit thinned out.
That's why you got to be careful. Always watch where you put your hands, and don't guess. I don't think you can get out of there, but maybe I'll get a lid. There, little guy. We're gonna move you. Here we go, the terciopelo we just caught. And I'll pick it over here. Since I'm barefoot, I'm just gonna let him go right here. There he goes. Oh. Yeah. He's bigger than he looks when he's stretched out. So this is a perfect example of watching where you reach, watching where you're working in a garden, whether it's around a house, if you're picking up wood or anything. Just make sure you can see where you put your hands and where you step. Don't take it for granted that you think it might be a non-venomous snake. Treat every snake as venomous, but treat it with respect. They're here for a reason, and until you know for sure, until you can positively identify it, just don't brush it off. Find out what it is, and that way it keeps snakes safe and keeps people safe. Because you never know when something may pop up. Oh God, look at that right there. It's a coral snake, but it's a rubber coral snake. So remember to take care. Be careful out there because it's a jungle out there.